I don't see, if I like Charles Dowding. I think he's doing great stuff. And a lot of people always make comments about no-till and all that, and I just don't see the benefit in no-till if you want to get something going quick. If you've got the machine, you can just get in there. I mean, I'm farming on an old orchard. There's a ton of roots. In fact, the guys are up there right now pulling out roots this thick and huge chunks, and you got to get in there. Sometimes you got to saw them out of there. Um, yes, if you wanted to bring in tons of organic matter and just pile up, you can certainly do those things. It does. There's a case to be made for it. For me, I'm doing what I know and it works. I farmed that way for 10 years. Is it the ultimate form of regenerative agriculture? Of course it isn't. But I think it's important to differentiate the types. And I've said this before, but it's worth repeating. There's conventional agriculture, there's sustainable agriculture, and then there's regenerative agriculture. And so it's a scale. Sustainable is, in my opinion, neutral. It's not doing harm, but it's not necessarily adding. But it's better. It's better than conventional, which is diminishing returns, particularly in respect to soil. So the way I farmed would be more considered sustainable, I believe. Whereas a vegetable grower like Andrew Mann's in Colberg, is it Colberg or Colburn, Alberta? Um, he would be a regenerative farmer. He's adding considerable amounts to his soil every year. He's got a big, biological plan on how this regenerates the land. Somebody doing holistic land management, that would be regenerative agriculture. Whereas market gardens, I think, are typically sustainable agriculture. Um, but yeah, I mean, I'm doing it the best I can, Janet. I mean, if you're looking to just homestead, it's easy to build raised bed gardens. That's a no-till approach. That's what I just did at my brother-in-law's place. I have yet to put that video out. I'm so backlogged with videos right now, and with everything warming up, it's like got to go outside. But yeah, fairly straightforward with the garden beds. And I would say for a pandemic garden, that's probably the easiest thing you could do right now. We built his garden beds in 4 hours or so.